Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be going over how to install Git on Windows 10. If you're looking for how to install Git on Windows 11 or Mac, I have videos covering that as well. I'll leave a link in the description below. All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is go to the official Git download page. We can do that by just simply searching for Git in Google and clicking on Downloads. I will also have a link in the description below to take you directly to this page. Once we are on the download page, we'll just click Download for Windows. This brings you to the Download for Windows page. Here we'll just click here to download. Once the download is complete, we want to run the installer. Here we'll click Yes. The default values should work for most people, so here we'll just click Next, 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 all the way through until the installer runs. Now that the installer is complete, we'll just click Finish and then open up PowerShell. And here we'll type git -- version and see that we are running Git version 2.39.1. We can also see that we have Git bash, and there we can also run Git -- version, which gives us the same result. Now that we have Git installed, we can start using it in our projects to take advantage of its powerful version control system. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button so that others can find the video more easily. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button and bell icon so that you don't miss the next video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.